Hello, in this tutorial we're going to be looking at the protected content settings. So down here under the Fast Member menu you can find the content page, and when you're on the content page you just need to select a product. So let's select the free product. So on the free product content settings you'll see there's an option for protected pages, protected posts, protected post categories, protected files and protected remote files. So we're going to look at the protected pages. When you ran the Quick Start Wizard, the pages for your products were added to your site and they were protected as well. So you can see here there's a number of pages that have been added to this product, and each of these pages is protected. So if we just select the first page in this list, which is the account page, and we try and preview this in a private window, you can see the content is actually protected, so it says members only content. Now if we edit this page from here, you can see the content on this page that's been added with the Fast Member block, and this is just placeholder content. But basically further down we can actually see the content protection options for this page. So we have two ways of actually managing the content protection on your pages and posts. So we can check the boxes while you're on the page, or we can add the pages from this list at the side here just by clicking them and adding, or we can double click to add or remove. So again we can double click it or double click. Now there's another option here which is the drip day. So if you want this page to be available after a certain number of days, then you can select the drip day by entering a number and then adding that page to the product, and you'll see the number here. And you can also do this with multiple pages. So if we add multiple pages by selecting them and then they'll add multiple pages at one time. Now this content protection system works for pages, posts and post categories in the same way. So they basically select a category or select a post and you can add it as protected content, and you can drip those out over time. Now the protected files are handled in a slightly different way, so we're going to explore those in more detail in a separate video.